Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Aini binti Mustafa Kamal and my name is A198050. First of all, thank you very much to my beloved lecturer, Mr. Muhammad Safan bin Wan Muhammad, and all my beloved audience. So I would like to continue about my presentation. The title is Customer Service on C2C Business Model by comparing Mudah.my and Niagawan Online. What is C2C business? C2C, customer to customer, is a business model where customer act as a seller who provide good or service to other consumer. In C2C business model, consumer can communicate directly with another consumer without going through an intermediary. The virtual world or the internet is the best place to business model like this, where anytime and everyone can access easily and not limited space and time. The development of an online business C2C has been very rapid in recent years. For example, C2C is Mudah.my and Niagawan Online. After that, comparing factor of service logistics which affecting their performance SWOT analysis. As we already know, Mudah.my and Niagawan Online is a marketplace platform. They are also provide an online classified exporter for buyer and seller. At the application and website have some category which is vehicle, property, electronic, home and personal item, job and service and so on. So we continue about first SWOT analysis from Mudah.my. As we know, SWOT analysis is divided into 4 parts, which is strength, weakness, opportunities, and threat. First strength from Mudah.my is world largest internet marketplace. Mudah.my is one of the largest marketplace or C2C business model in Southeast Asia. Secondly, weakness. Each application developed will have its own disadvantage. Mudah.my also not exception. Their weakness is shipping cost and time. Each item purchased by the customer from the seller of the item must be delivered to the customer. To make this process successful, the seller is responsible for delivering the goods via courier, and each courier must have its own price. Sometimes the delivery period also becomes very long due to certain reasons, such as damage or loss of goods during the delivery periods. Next, opportunities. The opportunities for Mudah.my is increasing in product and service. At certain times, the demand for goods or service will increase dramatically with the passage of time. This opens up opportunities for sellers to take advantage of their sale. And the last SWOT analysis from Mudah.my is threat. There is increasing competitor in marketplace platform. Nowadays, marketplace or e-commerce platforms are increasingly being created, and this poses a threat to existing platform. Next, Niagawan Online. First, their strength is have interactive website and easy to use. Niagawan Online have their own website and it's very easy to understand and use. It's very simple website, makes it very easy for seller and buyer to make any sale or purchase. Secondly, weakness. Niagawan Online weakness is take a long time to get approval to sell goods. To make any sale on the platform, the sale must go through a screening process before it can be published, and this process takes 20 hours. After that, there are opportunities as get customers from other segments. In the website, there are many segments including fashion, electronic, vehicle, and so on. Lastly, 3. Frauds in online sale. Online business fraud cases in our country are increasing. This matter should be taken seriously by the authorities to reduce the rate of increase in online fraud. After that, how can you develop the logistic quality service based on C2C business model? First, providing independent delivery service. This is because every day the sale and purchase process will be done, and if the marketplace platform has its own courier, it will facilitate the delivery process without involving a third person. Secondly, increase customer service. Mudah.my in Niagawan Online must increase customer service because that will easy from customer or buyer to make any complaint and question if have any problem, and that issue will be done quickly. Lastly, increasing the speed in agreeing the sale of goods in marketplace or e-commerce platform because Mudah.my in Niagawan Online both have a long time to make agree to publish product or service to sell in their platform. Lastly, there are example item listing in Mudah.my in Niagawan Online.